In this video, I'm going to talk about scaling your software development business through the roof. So, how are we going to do this? Based on observations made from getting results for hundreds of clients in the software and IT niches, I realized that it's downright useless to try and hire a lead gen agency or just get some random freelancers to do outreach for you. This can often just waste more time than it's worth because you're spending time with someone that's not to the degree that you want to get the results that you're really hoping for. This video is meant to provide value and show you some processes, giving you a way out from those traditional and outdated methods. Hopefully you learned something. So the benefits of my process is you get 5 times more closed deals, shorter sales cycles, and bigger deals. So a bit about me. I did a BSc in Maths, 3 years in marketing, ex-head of marketing startup. At 23, I managed a global team at KPMG to build a software product. I sold £10 million worth to 10 plus FTSE companies, including Santander. So my background is in software products. And yeah, not long after, I set up LeadSparker and helped the following clients scale their businesses and get tons of leads in. So these included Forbes listers, Best Startup Scotland, AWS partners, and more. And all the case studies and results here will show that. Steve Mitchell, founder of Marifact Software, he wasn't getting many qualified leads, if any, and then we were getting him £100,000 worth in sales pipeline every single month from relevant buyers, as you can see, Senior Director, Chief Technologist at an enterprise. And then there's the numbers there. So Jared, after signing up with us for just 1.5 months, he got 82,000 in deal value. There's our chat, team chat, and yeah, he was happy with us. Scott Jackson, another deal in just 2 months. And it was great call, reviewing API info for potential app integration. And that was a software product solution there. More results include Costas from Oranger. He got an £80,000 deal in just 2 months from 20 leads. So we were targeting the UK and the US in that case. Roy, this was for cybersecurity, 10 high ticket cyber leads in that month alone, more successful stories and more deals we've gotten people and clients that people have closed with us. So the old way of solving the problem includes, current vendors and the solutions being outdated and efficient. You might have tried a few companies, you might have tried commission-based models, maybe you got a few leads here and there, sure, which is good, but maybe none of them converted. Maybe even one of them did convert, but the deal value wasn't high enough. Maybe the deal value was high enough, but maybe you only got one deal after working with these guys for, 3-6 months, right? So there's a lot of ways of doing this, and obviously you don't want any of those. So maybe there's lots of time and effort going into small deals, for example. That's not worth it. That there's an increase in AI these days and no-code solutions, making it potentially, not necessarily in your case, but potentially harder to sell software services. Arguably, the market is already very saturated with people trying to do cheap software development already, and you don't want to be caught in a mix and basically compared to guys like that. So it's not your fault, and there is better solutions out there. Let me introduce you to them. Here is the new mechanism. It's a software conversion roadmap. So where do we start? Down here with the current objectives mainly being increasing lead flow and conversion. Not much else matters if you're going to try and get clients in. So how do we increase lead flow? We do that using LinkedIn or email, tailored outreach, and there's a lot of iteration. Not too much if you're already familiar with your target audience, as we are with software development audiences. You want to reach out to people such as the CTO, head of product, software development, etc., DevOps. And we want to make sure the sales assets are aligned to each of those roles. And then we want to address specific technical discrepancies or challenges in the organization, like lack of ML or LLMs, for example. Brand positioning up to date socials, and unique landing pages. So this is a process that was tried and tested, and it involves multiple systems that we set up. So after putting hundreds of hours into generating my clients' leads, appointments, and deals, I came to realize that it boiled down to 4 important things: offer creation, niche targeting, lead flow, deal flow. So we build systems for each of those. Offer creation, so you put together something simple but unique that grabs people's attention. We have an AI that creates this for you on our back end, and we test your market in advance because we have lots of data already, so we can give you the answers before you've even started, right? Niche targeting. So we dive very deeply into your buyer personas. Like these are some examples in certain industries, and we like to get to know them really well so that when we come after your target audience, we know exactly what we're dealing with. Lead flow. So hard to find a high volume of people willing and interested to buy your software solution. Think again. There's already a lot of people in the market that probably need it if it does solve, a unique or specific problem, or even a generic one. But it depends on the scenario. So here's our database of clients. These are all client lead sheets, and as you can see, some are different lengths, and some clients have been with us for longer than others. And here's the graphs, etc. And yeah, this is just consistent lead flow for all of our clients. So the deal flow, for example, comes in like this. So we get to see the value of the deals that our clients are getting: 20K, 42K, 20K, etc. So we like to stay on top of the sales as well, so ensure that your revenue is increasing month on month. So we do have an opportunity to set up a demo session. If you want to know how to implement this for your business, apply for a 15-minute demo session. I'll show you how we implement this for our current clients and how you can implement this for your business. I'm happy to also drop you a free training video once you've booked. And we usually take around 5 calls per week. I've opened up a few more slots, so you can book in if you need to. Hope you enjoyed this, and have a good rest of your day.